Samalola touch the lesson, entering on those in the Kevik any factorization of Singachi, any part Tamadira, that is part number 4, and your topic is division of algebraic expression. So you are going to divide the algebraic expression. So for division of algebraic expression, you have two methods, that is factor method and division method, and I'll introduce both the methods over here. Method new. First method is factor method. Okay, so suppose if I divide number 215 by 5, so I'm going to solve it with the factor method. Factor method pujutay ta niga chunga la factor method pujutay niga chunga la ngai divide tang. So here unit place is 5 and here unit place is 5. Right. Now you're going to cut this. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, and 1 left 15. So 5 threes are 15. So with the help of a factorization method, your product is 43. Right. That's the kevala so factorization chapter jangora. Factorization nanglola factor method di khichembo. Go to say. Okay class, now I'm going to introduce the second method, which is very important for you in class 9 in the chapter polynomial. So the second method is division method. Okay class, the question is same. Divide 215 by 5. Okay class, now you're going to divide 215 with a number 5. So 5 fours are 20. Okay, 1 left 5. 5 threes are 15. Okay class, for division method you have a formula, and your formula is dividend is equals to the divisor into quotient plus remainder plus remainder. Okay, you don't know what is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, so I am going to explain you with the help of a division method. I am going to explain you what is dividend over here, what is divisor, what is quotient, and what is remainder. So one by one I will discuss. So number 215 is your dividend, number 43 is your quotient. Okay class, number 5 is divisor and number 0 is remainder. Right. Okay, remain means whatever left, so remainder is 0. So now I'm going to substitute all these numbers in this formula. So in place of dividend, I'll substitute 215. In place of divisor, I'll substitute 5. In place of quotient, I'll substitute 43. And in place of remainder, I'll substitute 0. Tak hachela number ragyu din so formula dinanglo lachuere. Formula dinanglo lachu samba anzo hachela we are going to verify whether the product of the dividend is equals to the product of the divisor into quotient plus remainder. We are going to check whether both the numbers are same or not. Here, your dividend is 215, and when you multiply the divisor and quotient and add the remainder, your product is 215. So this is your division method, and which is very important for your class 9. Go to say. Okay class. So now our main method in class 8, the main method is factorization method. Factorization method jangare chesang thangbodel angazo khachilana, we are going to divide monomial by monomial with the help of factorization method. So first question you have 6x cube divided by 2x. Okay class, now you're going to solve this with the help of factorization method. So 6x cube divided by 2x. So you can express this 6x like this. 6 into x into x into x and 2 into x. Now you're going to cut this. Number 2, 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. X will cut with the variable x. So at last your product is 3 multiply x into x and your answer is 3x squared. This is, okay class, this is how you are going to divide monomial by monomial. Okay class, now our next topic is division of polynomial by monomial. So the second topic is you are going to divide polynomial by monomial. So polynomial by monomial. Okay class, now my question is 24 x square y z plus x y square z plus x y z square divided by 8x y z. Okay class, now again I'm going to factorize this. So 24 x square y z plus x y square z plus x y z square and 8x y z. Okay class, here the common is x y z, x y z, x y z is common everywhere. So I'll take common as outside. So 24x y z, here x plus here x y z is common, so you can write y. Here x y z is common, so you can write z. And then 8x y z. Now you're going to cancel these. So x y z cancel with the x y z. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and at last your product is 3x plus y plus z. Okay class, this is your answer and this is how you are going to divide polynomial by monomial. Okay class, now we left with the last topic of this chapter, and the last topic is division of polynomial by polynomial. Last topic is division of polynomial by polynomial. Okay class, now I'm going to give you one more question, that is 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2. Now we are going to solve this. So you can write it with the help of a factorization method. 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2. Okay class, now you can express this or you can regrouping this. 7x square 14x now what is common? 7x is the common, and then you can write x plus 7x multiply with the number 2. That is 7x multiply with the number 2 is 14x, and 7x multiply with the number x, that is 7x square, and x plus 2 as it is. Okay, number x, okay, x plus 2 and x plus 2 both cancel because they are common. So at last, your product is 7x. This is your answer, and this is how you are going to solve the polynomial by polynomial. So thank you so much for today. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.